Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Emma Melia from 19 TBI1. You can see my registration number in below. In this video, I will make simultaneous interpreting practice. There are two scenarios. The first, distant learning problems during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the second is easy step to protect children from COVID-19. The search language is Indonesian and the target language is English, and vice versa.
Education is the work process by which a person develops abilities, attitudes, and forms of perceived behavior. Education is very important for life. Even the demand for the importance of education are getting bigger considering the current of world development is getting faster. Education is also defined as a process of coaching and guidance that is carried out by someone continuously to students to achieve educational goals. The COVID-19 pandemic that had hit the world, including Indonesia, has had an impact on various aspects of life, one of which is education. This educational institution required that the process of learning activities be carried out remotely, namely that students learn and teaching teacher must continue to run even though the students are at home. As a result, educators are required to design learning by utilizing online media. The problem with the world of education is that the learning process is not yet uniform. Both the standard and quality of the different learning outcomes, the problems faced by teachers as educators are divided into several indicators including: first, delivery of learning material. Second, the process of interaction with students in the learning process. Third, the quality of empowering facilities and elements in learning. Fourth, penyakit coronavirus 2019 terus meluas dan menginfeksi banyak orang di seluruh dunia sehingga membuat banyak pihak merasa khawatir dengan kesehatan diri dan juga keluarganya. Walaupun COVID-19 kebanyakan menyerang orang dewasa, orang tua tetap perlu waspada dan menerapkan sejumlah langkah pencegahan khususnya bagi anak. Hal ini perlu dilakukan sebagai salah satu cara untuk melindungi anak dan keluarga dari COVID-19 dalam usaha memperlambat penyebaran virus. Berikut adalah beberapa upaya perlindungan yang dapat orang tua lakukan untuk anak. Pertama, biasakan cuci tangan. Virus corona disebarkan melalui kontak manusia. Karena itu, mencuci tangan adalah cara terbaik untuk melindungi diri dari paparan virus. Ajaklah anak untuk sering mencuci tangan dengan air mengalir minimal 20 detik. Antara lain setelah menggunakan mainan, sebelum dan sesudah makan, setelah dari kamar mandi, sehabis menyentuh hewan, serta setelah batuk dan bersin. Pastikan anak membersihkan hingga ke sela-sela jari, punggung tangan, ujung kuku, dan menggosok tangan dengan seksama sebelum membilasnya. Jika tidak mendapatkan akses terhadap air dan sabun, Anda dapat menggunakan hand sanitizer. Kedua, etika batuk dan bersin. Batuk dan bersin memiliki etika atau cara yang harus dilakukan. Edukasi yang benar tentang etika batuk dan bersin penting diajarkan kepada anak sejak dini. Hal ini berguna untuk melindungi anak dari potensi penyebaran penyakit melalui percikan ludah saat batuk dan bersin.
Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.